I searched how to buy shares of Defama Deutsche Fachmarkt AG, a German company that owns and manages neighborhood retail parks. Defama trades on Xetra under the ticker DEF.DE, and this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy the shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker DEF.DE to find the listing. Confirm the search result points to Defama Deutsche Fachmarkt AG on Xetra, so you locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Make sure the company profile and listing details match Defama Deutsche Fachmarkt AG, so you are on the correct page. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts if needed. Check the video description for the eToro link.